Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us solve one more problem related to SOPL, that is Statement of Profit and Loss. So we have sales, we have other income, we have changes in stock, we have changes in work in progress, then purchases, we have income tax, salaries, depreciation, other expenses, other comprehensive income, and non-controlling interest. So non-controlling interest will not appear in SOPL. Just ignore that non-controlling interest. So now let us try to solve the SOPL. So this is the format. First, always by this time you should have been aware that after solving 6 problems, this first will be revenue from operations. In questions, check whether anything they have given about sales. Yes, they have given sales 50,000 rupees. So that 50,000 rupees you have to write over here. Next, you need to add other income for that. In question, anything they have mentioned? Yes. Other income ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 30,000. When you add these two, revenue from operations plus other income, you will get total income. So you need to add 50,000, 50,000 plus 30,000 other income. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 80,000 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. After this, we have to consider expenses. There are 7 heads of expenses. First is cost of materials consumed. Now check in question, any cost of material consumed they have given? No, there is no cost of material consumed. So it will be 0. Next, second will be purchase of stock in trade. Check in the questions, do we have any purchases? Yes, we have purchases 18,000 rupees. So that 18,000 rupees we have to write it over here. Purchases of stock in trade 18,000. Next, changes in inventory, okay, of finished goods, stock in trade, and work in progress. This item we have to check. So if you just see in the question, there are 2 items. One is changes in stock, changes in work in progress, 8,000 plus 2,000. You can write directly by writing it here, 8,000 plus 2,000. It will be 10,000. Or if you want, you can even write working note, not an issue. Next will be employee benefit expenses. Check in the question. Yes, we have salaries or wages of 6,000 rupees. So employee benefit expenses is 6,000 rupees. Next, we have finance costs. We are having finance cost. So check in the question, any interest on debentures, interest on loan do we have? We don't have any such as such. So it will be again 0. Next, check do we have whether depreciation or amortization. Next is depreciation or amortization. Yes, in question depreciation is there, 8,000 rupees depreciation that has to be written in our SOPL. So 8,000 depreciation. The last head will be other expenses. Last item bandu other expenses. Check in the question. Yes, we have other expenses of 4,000 rupees. Other expenses. Now add all this 18,000 plus 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 4,000. When you add all those things, you will get 46,000, and that 46,000 is our total expenses. We have found out total income, and now we have total expenses. Now we have to subtract both in order to get profit or loss before exceptional items and tax. How did we get this? Total income 80,000 ಇದೆ, total expenses 46,000. ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 34,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 34,000 only. How did we get this? 34,000 minus 0, that is exceptional items. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 34,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now from that we have to remove tax expenses. Tax ನ remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. In question they have given directly income taxes 7,000 rupees. Direct ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So income tax 7,000 na minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. When we subtract that, we will get profit or loss from continuing operations. Profit or loss from continuing operations. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತಿದ್ದು 34,000 minus 7,000 ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 27,000 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಝೀರೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಝೀರೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 27,000 ಬಂತು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಝೀರೋ. ಸೊ 27 plus 0 is equal to 27,000. Next component will be other comprehensive income. In question they have given that other comprehensive income is 12,000 rupees. Other comprehensive income is 12,000 rupees. So that 12,000 rupees we will be writing it over here. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ we get total comprehensive income. We will be getting total comprehensive income. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ total profit plus other comprehensive income of 12,000 rupees. If you add these two, you will get 39,000. That is our total comprehensive income. Next, EPS. For doing EPS, we need equity share details. So there is no equity share details. There is no details about equity shares. So we cannot find out EPS. So all EPS will be zero because ಯಾವುದೇ ಶೇರ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿನ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣ ಅದು ಝೀರೋ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we will take it as zero. This is how you need to solve the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. In my next video, I'll come back with some more problems. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.